This state-of-the-art facility utilizes gentle, hygienic methods to extract the highly prized secretion from the giant African snail.
The process begins here, with the gentle collection of raw slime from the snails.
Maintaining absolute sterility is paramount here. Workers meticulously sanitize every inch of the machine.
Inside the giant snail slime factory, we witness the highly controlled and deeply fascinating process of extracting the precious slime.
Inside the giant snail slime factory, the automated extraction modules power on.
This macro view reveals the incredible elasticity of the snail slime as it is gently drawn from the automated systems into the collection vats. Specialized sensors meticulously monitor the flow rate. The high viscosity ensures a slow, controlled drip.
This is the initial extraction phase. We utilize advanced monitoring systems to ensure the snails are comfortable.
The slime undergoes rigorous quality control, with technicians meticulously monitoring consistency data in real time.
The automated collection process ensures maximum sterility. Here, the highly viscous slime is The key to quality is the gentle, automated stimulation of the snails, producing this high sought-after secretion.
Utilizing gentle electrical stimulation, the snails release their valuable secretion, captured here in... Look at the yield from Sector 4. It's up 20% this cycle.
Incredible. The new filtration system is working perfectly.
The sheer scale of the operation requires a seamless transition from extraction to the purification phase.
Once exit the raw slime immediately transported to the purification zone, a sterile environment.
Under precise pressure, the raw slime passes through these industrial mesh filters, the vital first step in purification. The giant snail slime is carefully transported through sterile glass pipelines, ensuring maximum purity. The giant snail slime is carefully transported through sterile glass pipelines, ensuring maximum purity.
Advanced multi-layer filtration guarantees a sterile product, while the snails live comfortably in a climate-controlled environment.
These high-precision pumps ensure the slime is moved gently, maintaining perfect pressure stability throughout the extraction process.
Once extracted, the slime undergoes rigorous analysis in the quality control laboratory.
The automated scanners meticulously analyze the slime's properties. Viscosity and clarity are checked against.
Temperature control is critical. Here, the raw slime is carefully cooled to 8.5 degrees Celsius.
Automated paddles slowly refine the slime produced by the vineyard snails, a crucial step in maintaining quality control.
In this stage of the extraction process, the refined mucin stretches evenly, a testament to its purity. This crystal-clear secretion is the hallmark of quality control. Viscosity is key to the slime's efficacy. Here, the digital viscometer ensures every batch meets the optimal thickness.
Here we see the culmination of the extraction process. as the high-quality slime is pumped into massive storage vessels.
Maintaining the sterile environment is paramount. Here, the automated cleaning cycle ensures every tank is flawlessly sanitized. The purified slime now moves into the automated bottling section, a testament to the factory's sterile and high-tech approach.
The slime is then transported to the fully automated packaging hall, where robotic arms handle the delicate.
To ensure peak hygiene, every container undergoes intense UV sterilization before the filling process begins.
One last step that close office at a practically measured.
The raw mucin is carefully collected, its viscous texture a testament to its purity and the precision of the extraction process. The automated sealing process ensures every jar of precious slime is hermetically sealed, preserving its potency for the next stage.
The final stage ensures complete traceability. State-of-the-art lasers code each batch, a critical. The final stage ensures complete traceability. State-of-the-art lasers code each batch, a critical.
Once stacked, the pallets are rapidly secured with multiple layers of plastic, ensuring the integrity of the product.
The sheer scale of the operation is evident here in the warehouse, where automated systems manage the vast inventory of purified slime.
This route through the Pacific is showing a delay.
We can reroute via the Atlantic corridor to maintain the schedule.
In this ultra-realistic facility, the extraction process is entirely automated, focusing on hygienic.